How to think in English? This is a very common question that so many guys have asked about. That so many guys are facing this issue. They are just translating. They want to speak very good English, but they are translating. Only because of this reason they are unable to learn this language fast. They are unable to speak good English. Only because of they are translating every day. And when they are translating, this is not the problem that they are translating. The problem is that you are translating all the times. This is the problem. Why? Because when you are translating the sentences Hindi to English, you are just stuck. After sometimes you are going to have a conversation with someone. With someone you are going to have a conversation. So you are just stuck. After sometimes you are talking, and if you are going to translate Hindi to English or your regional language to English language, you are just thinking a lot, and after sometimes if you are unable to translate the language, you are stuck because of the nervousness that you are having in your mind, because of the nervousness, because of the stress, because of the hesitation that you are feeling in your mind, because of you are just thinking, if I will make mistakes, what will other person think about me? What will everybody think about me? You are just thinking about these things in your mind. Only because of this reason you are unable to speak good English. You are unable to learn this language soon. You are unable to speak in front of the public. Only because of this reason. This is the basic reason you are unable to learn this language. And so many guys have asked me about कि how can I learn this language? आप कैसे इंग्लिश बोल लेते हैं, कि कैसे इंग्लिश लर्न करें? मैं भी एक छोटे से गांव से आता हूँ. मैं I am unable to speak. I can understand English very well, but I am unable to think in English. Only because of this reason I am unable to speak English. Because you guys are translating. Translation is not a very big issue. When I started learning this language, when I was beginner, I also used to translate a lot. I also used to translate first. But before translating, I just used to practice at home. So I am going to give you a very genuine, very achievable, very workable tip here that you have to do if you are translating every day. If you are translating every minute Hindi to English, you just have to work upon only one thing. That is about practice every day at home. When you are alone, you just have to practice speaking English alone. This is going to help you a lot. This helped me a lot. When I was beginner, I just did not start speaking in front of the public directly, because I also used to think that when I will try to speak in front of the public, they will make fun of me. If they will try to make fun of me, I will be afraid. I will not be able to speak after that. I will be stuck on my learning journey. But it was very important for me to learn this language. So, because of this fear, I used to practice at home. When I used to be alone in my home, I used to practice. And it doesn't matter for me if my mom or my brothers are listening to me. I just used to speak loudly. I just used to practice. I just used to talk to myself. I just used to talk to the wall. I used to speak in front of the mirror. These are the very helpful techniques that I have used. These techniques helped me a lot to start thinking in English language. I used these techniques a lot in my whole journey. Only because of these techniques, I was able to speak very well with the confidence. I was able to speak confidently. After 1 month, in just 1 month, I was able to speak very good English. Because I just used to practice a lot in my home, in my room. बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करता था. I'm not speaking lie. I'm just telling the truth. This is the reality. I just don't try to move beyond the reality, because when I am moving beyond the reality, it is not going to help me rather ways. If I am just speaking the truth, it is going to help me a lot, because when I am pure in myself, when I am genuine, when I am genuine with myself, I know I can achieve a lot. Because when we are genuine with ourselves, we are just able to reflect what are the mistakes that we are making, what are the weaknesses that we have in our mind, that we have in our personality. जब आप सच बोलोगे तभी तो अपनी मिस्टेक्स, जो गलतियां होंगी, जो खामियां होंगी, तभी तो आप रिफ्लेक्ट कर पाओगे. तो आई ऑलवेज से ट्रूथ, दैट इज द रियलिटी आई ट्राई टू से. मैं उससे दूर नहीं भागता हूँ, क्योंकि इट हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट कि how can I improve myself, how can I improve the communication skills, how can I make my life better every day. If I am able to make over the mistakes, if I am able to make over the weaknesses that I have in my personality, so I am going to achieve a lot by these mistakes if I am making over every day. So the topic was how to start thinking in English. If you're going to do these things in your life every day, in your everyday life, you are definitely going to think in English. You would not need to translate from your regional language to English language. Believe me guys, this helped me a lot. This technique is 100% workable. Before you are going to speak in front of the public, you just have to practice a lot in home, so that you already have learned a lot. You already have fixed the sentences in your mind, and your mind works like this. If you are practicing every day one thing, your mind will automatically try to do that thing. Your mind, यदि हम कोई एक कार्य लगातार करते हैं, if you are doing something, some works continuously every day, so our mind automatically उस कार्य को करने के प्रयास करता है. यदि आप लोग इंग्लिश बोलोगे घर पे continuously every day, if you will try to speak in English language, तो ये एक समय के बाद आपके माइंड में फिक्स हो जाता है, यानी कि बैठ जाता है, और कुछ समय पश्चात आपको सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. Sentences will automatically come to your mind and you will speak. This is the fact, guys. This is the fact. Only this is how you guys will be able to speak very good English. There is no one who can stop you to speak good English. There is no one who can make fun of you guys. There is no one. And if you are talking about the mistakes, everybody makes. I also make mistakes. Even then, I have been improving this language for 1 year. I also make faults. I also make mistakes. Many mistakes I make every day. So don't worry about the mistakes if you are making. Everybody makes. There is no one who is perfect. If you are going to be perfect, the day will never come when you are perfect. Guys, this is what I wanted to tell in this video. This is what I wanted to teach you guys here, so that it will help you a lot. If I am genuine with you, you just have to be genuine in yourself, and you have to comment on my video. How am I making videos? On what topic do I have to make videos? If at least 50% reality if you have found by watching my videos, so you will definitely like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so that you can never miss my videos, and share to all your friends who are very very close to you, so that they can also watch my videos and learn something from me. Okay, so we will meet in another specific video. So have a good day. Bye bye.